We at Simplexity want to provide our clients the shortest path to get their product done. The project manager helps create that plan and make sure that we stick to that plan. We have about a dozen project managers currently in the company. Our project managers, having a technical background, often contribute to the brainstorming and the conversations and troubleshooting, in addition to taking a step back, seeing the big picture, making sure when we find a defect that it gets logged and tracked, making sure that things that we find get documented in our meeting notes and action items are followed up on so that nothing slips through the cracks.
A lot of our clients are engineers themselves. They have technical backgrounds from all different disciplines. And so frequently we are in a position where we need to have deep technical understanding about what our team is developing and designing and building and the challenges that they're going to face with that, and be able to communicate that succinctly, clearly, quickly to our clients, especially if there are any sort of financial or schedule implications.
Our project managers end up being kind of the hub of communication between what we're working on and what the client is aware of, and understanding their needs. Our project managers are there to make sure that things stay on track.
Simplexity also wants to make sure that we unburden our engineers from the project management side of their day-to-day work. We don't want to slow them down or hinder their innovative mindset. And of course, there's always budget, schedule, features, things that all project managers need to do. But from a technical level, we're able to deliver on that. It's about productivity.
The project execution is about giving the client what they want, and hope when we're all done with the project, they're getting something they're very happy with and want to come back to us. Most of our business comes from repeat customers and word of mouth.
Simplexity, simplifying the complex.